everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review this robotic cordless pool cleaner by WYBOT. This is a WYBOT S2 high-end cordless robotic pool cleaner with a cordless design and a powerful suction ability. This is a necessary thing for every pool owner. If you own a pool and you are not using a robotic pool cleaner, I don't know what's wrong with you, because this is a game changer and a lifesaver, because it gives you freedom, because you can use the schedule to clean your pool, as well as you can just drop the robotic pool cleaner into your pool and let it work any time of the day, regardless. It saves you time, because once again, you just drop it into your pool and it does the job. There's nothing else you need to do. The only thing you need to do is put it into the pool, turn it on, charge it, take it out of the pool and recharge it. That's it. It saves your money because you don't need anymore to pay all these clean people, pool cleaning equipment, and so very on. Another thing, it's eco-friendly because it saves water. So if you didn't know, people who lives around the beach or in a sandy area, let's say we are in North Carolina right now, we have no beach here, we have lakes, but the entire land is sand. This is how, like, geologically this land is made. So every pool owner here have tons of sand at the bottom of their pool. And now if you want to clean this sand from the bottom of your pool, what you must do is to empty the water, clean the bottom of your pool from the sand and whatever other dirt you have, all these like small little debris, and then refill your pool with a new water. So you're wasting tons of water. It costs you money. It's bad for the environment because of all the water that you're using, and it's not eco-friendly once again. So having a robotic pool cleaner, you will help the environment. It will save your time. It will save your money, and that's just a completely different lifestyle once you have a robotic pool cleaner. So if you don't have one, but you do have a pool, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's like the revolution that the robotic vacuums and moppers, the indoors, did, you know. So now I don't remember the last time I cleaned my floor by myself, honestly. The robots does it all. It saves me money on the cleaning lady. I don't need a cleaning lady since I have a robotic vacuum cleaner. You see the difference? Exactly the same thing. That's the same analogy. So I absolutely a huge fan of robotic pool cleaners. So guys, let's get started with the detailed review of this WYBOT robotic pool cleaner. Let's get started. Well, so very excited to get started with the detailed review of this WYBOT S2 high-end cordless robotic pool cleaner. Let's get started, guys. First of all, I'd love to start from the fact that it is cordless. Cordless is so very important. I hate when gadgets has a cord. Like, it's 2024, almost 2025. Why would any type of a device has a cord? I absolutely love the design. It's designed in a way of tank, as well as it's so very powerful. It comes with an extra powerful suction ability. So this WYBOT Premium S2 has a stronger suction and higher efficiency. The power suction of the brushless motor is 91 watt. It has a triple powerful motors and a brushless motor with a dual layer of a filtration system. The filter box performance, it's 180 micrometer, and the ultra fine sponge performance, it's 40 ppi, as well as this robotic pool cleaner offering a comprehensive cleaning. So it can clean floors, walls, including tiles, steps, and water lines. Now, when it cleans the water line, it's not just cleaning the water line, it's scrubbing the water line. It's ideal for large pools, as well as it comes with a 3 hours quick charge ability. It can work up to 210 minutes of a runtime with a coverage up to 3,230 square feet. It works on a smart application, as well as you have a manual switch mode on the robotic pool cleaner itself. It has 6 cleaning paths to offer, as well as 7 cleaning modes. Now, the manual one-touch mode selection on the pool cleaner itself. So you have the mode button, and that's the button you use to switch between the modes. And you can choose between 3 different modes while operating the robotic pool cleaner through the interface on the top of the pool cleaner itself. Then, through the smart application, you have 7 different cleaning modes to choose from. The modes are floor only, walls only, waterline only. Then you have the combined modes, wall then floor. So first of all, it's going to clean all the walls, and then it's going to clean the floor. This mode is actually great because imagine yourself that your robot go cleans the floor first, and then after the floor is pristine, crystal clear, it goes and start cleaning the walls. Now, what about all the debris on the wall? Whatever stayed on the wall and wasn't sucked into the vacuum is gonna fall on the floor and stayed on the floor. So the mode of cleaning the walls first, then cleaning the floor, it's actually way better mode, because this is how you'll keep everything clean. And that's the correct and right order to do so. So that was the 4th mode. Now the 5th mode is the standard pool mode, which means it's gonna clean the walls, it's gonna clean the floors, and so very on. The next mode is the Eco Floor mode, and then you have a Turbo Floor mode. mode, which means it's just basically gonna clear your floor only, but very, very quick, like in the turbo mode. Through the smart application, you even have the scheduled cleaning function, which this one is designed for convenient and efficiency use of this robotic pool cleaner. So you can choose which days of the week, for how long, and for what hours the robot is gonna clean your pool. It has a cycle timer, so you can specify the frequency of your robot up to 4 times, 7 days. It has a convenient self-parking technology, so it's extra easy to take it out of your pool once it's done the cleaning. It comes with a battery capacity of 7,800 mAh. This robotic pool cleaner offering a high coverage and a smart planning, so it's equipped with infrared sensor as well as with a depth sensor too. Also, it has a 6-axis gyroscope technology. Thanks to all these sensors and technology equipped with, it can navigate easily all around your pool. It can build a map and it will know where to go, and it can avoid objects as well. Thanks to this technology, it also has the intelligent path planning ability, which means that for the floor cleaning mode, it has 3 different paths that it will adopt to go to: the star pattern, the cross pattern, or the S pattern. For the wall cleaning mode, it has 3 different modes as well to go through: the H pattern, the N pattern, or the Z pattern. Now guys, about the safety, this robot is equipped with a double layer sealing, which means it's safer, so no water is gonna leak into your pool and destroy it. This robot is ideal for all types of pools. It doesn't matter what shape your pool is. It can be rectangle, it can be round, it can be kidney shaped, it can be random shape. It doesn't matter what's the shape of your pool. It will still do an amazing job. As well as this WYBOT can work with any type of fabric, that your pool built off. Like it can work on concrete, on pebble stone, or on ceramic tiles, vinyl, or fiberglass. Whatever. Regardless the material your pool is built with, this robot gonna bring great results. Well guys, here is my personal opinion. This is definitely a great purchase for my pool. The WYBOT is solidly built. It's a very high quality type of a device. You can feel it and see it immediately the second you take it out of the box. It's built very well, and it has very user-friendly setup instructions, as well as the application is very intuitive and easy to understand and to use. I love using this one on the standard full pool mode because it just cleans the entire pool without any doubts, without any concerns, and that's my favorite mode to work on. And it did an amazing work. It cleaned all this flat surface, it cleaned all the steps, it cleans the stairs, it cleans the walls, it cleans everything. Also, the most important thing to me is that it collected all the sand from the bottom of our pool, which that's, sand, it's the pain of every pool owner. So the fact that it is collecting sand from the bottom of the pool, from the floor, in such an efficient and great way, it's definitely an amazing relief for me. Since what we used to do before to collect the sand is to basically take off the water from the pool, clean the sand from the bottom, and then refill the pool with water. It's expensive, it takes tons and a lot of time, and it's absolutely annoying process to do. I can absolutely, guys, recommend you to check out this WYBOT robotic pool cleaner. It's definitely a great purchase, and I'm so very happy with the fact that now we are having this robotic pool cleaner. I'm very impressed with his abilities, and I never looked up a cleaner on Google ever again since I got this robotic pool cleaner. Well guys, please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. I personally am a huge fan of this robotic pool cleaner. I will highly recommend you to check it out. I'll leave you all the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, discounts, promotions, sales, and so very on. All type of information that is necessary for you to know to purchase or just to check out this robotic pool cleaner. Everything gonna be down below in the description box to this video of mine. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Do you have a pool? How do you clean your pool? And would you wanna have a robotic pool cleaner? And if you wouldn't, why? If you would, why? These are my questions to you today. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.